Magandang hapon po ng October 29, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 29, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 29, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot prices of Ultra Lotto 658 is 90 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price is 90 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price is 90 million pesos for October 29, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for October 29, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.